धन्यवाद महोदय। दीप प्रज्वलन न केवल अंधकार को दूर करने का प्रतीक है, बल्कि यह हमारे जीवन में ज्ञान और प्रकाश का भी प्रतीक है। तो आइए आज के इस रंगारंग कार्यक्रम की यात्रा का प्रारंभ मां सरस्वती की वंदना से हम करते हैं। हमारे वरिष्ठ वर्ग के विद्यार्थी मंच पे उपस्थित हैं सरस्वती वंदना लेकर। Thank you very much, children. Just as flowers add beauty and fragrance to the world, the presence of our guest graces our event. To honor and welcome our guest, I request Shri Sunil Pardesi, Principal KV Pulgaon, to welcome Honorable Chief Guest Brigadier Kaushalesh Panghal Sir, Commandant CAD Camp and Chairman VNC KV Pulgaon by presenting a bouquet. Thank you, sir. I also request, sir, to welcome Colonel Gopi Anand N. I request, sir, to welcome Colonel Prashant Dutt from CAD Camp Pulgaon by presenting a bouquet. Thank you, sir. I also request you to welcome Lieutenant Colonel Vasant Savle by presenting a bouquet. Thank you, sir. I request, sir, to welcome all the other dignitaries present with us today. Lieutenant Colonel H.K. Verma, Academy Officer, CAD Camp Gulgaon. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. सांसों की हर सरगम गा रही सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम सुस्वागतम। स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है, यह दिल है हमारा, हमारा यही संदेश है कि आप सभी का इस प्रांगण में बारंबार स्वागत है। अब मैं सेकेंडरी सेक्शन के छात्रों को मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ कि वे अपने मधुर स्वरों से एक स्वागत गीत प्रस्तुत करें। Thank you, dear children. ऑडियंस से रिक्वेस्ट है कि तालियों से हमारे बच्चों का उत्साहवर्धन करें. An institution's progress is best reflected through its accomplishments, initiatives. To share the highlights of the year gone by, I now request Honorable Principal Sir to come on the stage to present the annual report. Sir, please.
Hello. Good evening to all. On the occasion of annual day celebration, I extend warm welcome to esteemed chief guest of the day, Brigadier Kaushalesh Pangal, Station Commandant, CAD Camp Pulgaon, and the Chairman, Vidyalaya Management Committee, CAD Camp Pulgaon. I also welcome Chairman's nominee in absentia. I also welcome in absentia Mrs. Parul Pangal, First Lady of CAD Camp Pulgaon, and all other officers and the staff of CAD Camp Pulgaon. All worthy members of Vidyalaya Management Committee, distinguished principals of neighboring school, guests, parents, and all wishers. I welcome you all. It gives me immense pleasure to present the annual report of the Vidyalaya activity before the Augustus gathering here for the year 2024-25. Since its inception in December 1969, the Vidyalaya has a track record of excellent performance in imparting quality education of global standard with a special emphasis on the overall development of the student's personality. Academic excellence is the open hallmark of assessing performance of any educational institution, and the students have proved this by performing extremely well in CBSE examination. This year in month of March, total 66 students appear in class 10th and all pass. In class 12, 14 students appear and all pass. So the total result of this Vidyalaya for 2023-24 was 100%. All children of class 10th and 12th pass. Master Tushar Pardeke, topper of class 12 science by scoring 87% from this Vidyalaya. Kumari Vidhi Jawandia, top class 10 by scoring 95.2%. Kumari Vidhi Jawandia has secured 1.5%. If there are 1 lakh children in all over India, only 1,000 children get the prize of 5,000 rupees. One student of our Vidyalaya, Kumari Vidhi, got cash prize of 5,000 rupees because she secured in 1% children of India. It is also a matter for our Vidyalaya that 4 teachers of this Vidyalaya, namely Rajendra Ghatole, PGT English, Sri Nitin Dongre, PGT Biology, Srimati Sunita Vaishnav, TGT SST, Sri Madan Lal, TGT Hindi of this Vidyalaya has received appreciation letter from Kendriya Jal Sangathan Regional Office Mumbai for producing 100% result with best quality result. Matlab maximum children got above 70 marks. As a part of Vidyalaya Parvesh under NEP 2020, our Vidyalaya conducted 3-month preparatory program for early learners, that is class 1. The program successfully built a strong foundation for the young learners, enhancing their confidence and readiness for structural education. Co-curricular activity, CCA we called it, is an integral part of any education institution. A number of competitions such as solo dance, solo song, Rocky making, drawing, display board, English and Hindi calligraphy, English and Hindi poem recitation, best of the West, competition like solo dance, solo song, group dance, mimicry, English and Hindi skit were organized for children of primary classes and secondary classes. Celebration of important days such as Independence Day. I am glad to inform you that on Independence Day, Honorable Chairman Sir was here as a chief guest. As well as Teachers Day, Republic Day, Grandparent Day, birth anniversary of great personalities also celebrated to include the values among the students. Hindi Pakwada was celebrated from 14 September to 29 September. The rally was organized, Run for Unity, on the birth anniversary of former Honorable Home Minister Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. A school-level science exhibition was conducted in the Vidyalaya on 13th October, in which 62 students participated. 5 students were selected at Vidyalaya level to participate at regional level Bal Vaigyanik Pradarshani held at KV Ganeshkand, Pune. And the chief guest of this program was Poonawalla. Poonawalla is a famous scientist who discovered that vaccine for corona. He was the chief guest at Pune. These children represented Vidyalaya at regional level in Pune. Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program is a regular phenomenon of Vidyalaya. In KVS, it is held at cluster, regional and national level, in which many competitions such as English debate, Hindi debate, group song, group dance, quiz, skits organized every year. Master Ram and Master Shaksham Bambole, both students of class 10, secured third position in Art Facts exhibition under Kala Utsav program at cluster level held at KV Ajni, Nagpur. The Student Council, very important part in the life of student. Student Council was formed to develop democratic value and the leadership quality among students. The investiture ceremony of Student Council was celebrated on 19th October 2024. VMC, very important committee, management committee of Vidyalaya Management Committee meeting was held on 4th October under the chairmanship of Colonel Gopi Anand and chairman, he is the chairman's nominee and admin commandant of CAD Camp Pulgaon. Physical fitness is very important in the life of student. Physical fitness and mental strength are very closely related. When we come to the student performance, students are offered ample opportunity to be trained to excel in the games and sport. In cluster level meet in 2024-25, total 45 students, boys and girls, participate in different sport events like chess, badminton, volleyball, basketball, cricket, athletics. 13 boys and girls selected at regional level sport meet. Master Priyanshu Prasad and Master Som Kakade, both students of class 11, were selected for national level sport meet in basketball and volleyball respectively. They went to the national level. Coming to Scout and Guide activity. Scout and Guide is a very important activity in Vidyalayas. Approximately 291 students are enrolled in this activity for this year. Apart from regular theoretical and practical classes, different activities are conducted and taken in Scout and Guide. Total 8 Scout students and 1 Guide student from our Vidyalaya participated in Tritiya Sopan testing camp held at PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya Vayu Sena Nagar, Nagpur from 22 October 25 October to 25 October. You may be knowing there are almost 14,000 PM Sri Vidyalaya in India. At present, 3,000 are selected. So we have chance to get name of PM Sri very soon after construction of building. Next, in high-tech world, Vidyalaya is well equipped with sophisticated computer lab. 45 computers have been set up in primary and secondary labs. BSNL broadband and internet connection is provided for online education. LAN connection is also provided in all departments. Printers are attached to lab. LED projector is used to teach lesson for better understanding. In the ICT accessories such as 1 magic box, 10 LCD projector, 1 visualizer, 10 interactive blackboards, 7 smart boards, 2 web cameras, 1 scanner, 10 printers available in the Vidyalaya. KVS has taken digital initiative by developing apps such as Management Information System for result, SIS, Student Information System, PIS, Personal Information System, means all information of students, employees is digital, available to all over India for the government. So this is high-tech information with KBS. Regard to school library, there are 8,592 books on stock, available in the Vidyalaya. 18 magazines and 3 newspapers are subscribed every day and every month. Under the library service program, various activities were conducted. Book donation, that is Pustak Upahar, to save the environment and save the money. We request parents and children to donate the books to the next children of next classes. And this is done every year in every Vidyalaya. Celebration National Library Week from 14 November to 20 November was done. Book review, writing, storytelling, book making, drop everything and read. 2 days book exhibition was organized on occasion of Hindi fortnight celebration from 14 September to 29 September. Under one more project, under Veer Gatha project for soldiers by Government of India, Veer Gatha project 4.0. Sri Vithoba Namdev Boyer, retired gallantry awardee soldier, was invited in the Vidyalaya on 13th November 2024 to share his personal experience and story of act of bravery in various national and international military missions to promote and to motivate the student to make the career in various military services and render the service for our motherland, our country, India. Educational excursion is very important in the life of children. So educational excursion was organized for 37 students of class 11th and 12th. And they were taken to Niri Nagpur on 4th October 2024. It was a great opportunity for the student to visit CSIR Niri Nagpur to interact with the scientists and witness the various research activity and recent trend in the environmental research. Students of all classes from class 1 to 10, that is 841 students, were taken to ammunition depot that is called Gola Barut Museum of CAD, Camp Pulgaon, in the month of October, November. Students got this opportunity to witness the various weapons and their uses and interact with the officers of CAD Camp Pulgaon. I would like to thank Chairman Sir for giving opportunity to visit Gola Barut Museum and providing free bus facility, sir. Thank you. Almost 800 children visited, sir, in last 2 months. Since 2009, construction of new building was awaited. Long-awaited construction of new building has started in 2023. In a full swing now it is. It is expected to be completed by July 2025. We hope next annual day, in next session, will be new building. This is our aim. I take this occasion to place on record our sincere thanks to our Chief Guest, Brigadier Kaushalesh Pangal, Station Commandant, CAD Camp Pulgaon, and the Chairman, Vidyalaya Management Committee, CAD Camp Pulgaon, under whose guidance this Vidyalaya endeavors to reach new heights. I also take this opportunity to thank in absentia Mrs. Parul Pangal, the First Lady of CAD Camp Pulgaon, Colonel Gopi Anand Sir, Admin Commandant CAD Camp, and he is also nominee chairman of this Vidyalaya. All the officers of Military Station Pulgaon Camp, the staff member of this Pulgaon Camp, and the member of BMC who have been very supportive in all our efforts. In the end, I would like to thank parents who have entrusted their most valuable possession, that is their child, in our hands to mold them as per their expectation. I would like to assure them that every effort shall be made to prepare the child for the life. With this, once again, I thank one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again, sir. Dear audience, Let us now begin this exciting journey of recognizing and celebrating the winners of various activities. It is not just about winning, but about acknowledging efforts and inspiring others. May I now request Honorable Chief Guest Brigadier Kaushalesh Panghal, Commandant CAD Camp Pulgaon, to come on the stage to distribute the prizes towards students. I now invite Ms. Rupali Gulati from primary section to announce the prizes of primary children first.
थैंक यू सो मच मेगा मैम। संजोग की बात है कि हम नई बिल्डिंग की भी बात कर रहे हैं और अपने प्राथमिक विभाग के बच्चों की भी, जो हमारे देश की बुनियाद बनाएंगे। तो सबसे पहले मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करती हूँ प्रांजलि प्रमोद ताइडे को। शी हैज वन फर्स्ट पोजीशन इन हिंदी कैलीग्राफी, थर्ड पोजीशन इन सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन, फर्स्ट पोजीशन इन हिंदी पोएम, फर्स्ट पोजीशन इन इंग्लिश पोएम एंड थर्ड पोजीशन इन स्टोरी टेलिंग। कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू। ऑडियंस की तालियों की आवाज मुझे बच्चे के प्राइस से भी कम लग रही है। Next we have Shaurya Prateek Karwade from class 2nd A, English calligraphy first position, Hindi poem recitation second position, collage making third position and Hindi storytelling first position. Please clap for him. These children are actually the stars who are going to make our future very, very bright. Next we have Viraj Kunal Bhagat, second prize Hindi poem recitation, first prize in English poem recitation, second prize in solo song competition and second prize in storytelling Hindi. Congratulations to you dear. यदि छात्र के अभिभावक यहाँ मौजूद हैं तो उनकी तालियां मुझे अलग से सुनाई दे। नेक्स्ट वी हैव पूर्वा, फर्स्ट पोजीशन इंग्लिश कैलीग्राफी, फर्स्ट पोजीशन ड्राइंग कंपटीशन, फर्स्ट पोजीशन पोस्टर मेकिंग एंड फर्स्ट पोजीशन बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट। शी हैज गॉट ऑल द फर्स्ट पोजीशंस। From class 3rd A we now have Arushi Deepak Deshmukh, second position in English calligraphy, third position in Hindi calligraphy and first position in English poem recitation. Congratulations to you Purva. We have our bright star from class 3rd A now. First position in Hindi storytelling, second position Hindi speech and second position in fancy dress. The child is Ninad Avinash Meshram. Please come on the stage. From class 3rd B once again we have Shravya Shende now, second position in drawing competition, first position in collage making and third position in diya decoration. Please clap louder. Next we have Anandi Sambe, first position in Hindi calligraphy, first position in drawing competition and second position in poster making. Congratulations to you Anandi and the whole team. Dear parents, आपका गर्व तालियों से सुनाई देना चाहिए। We have Jayashree Subramanyam, second position in solo singing, first position in English calligraphy and third position in collage making. Please clap very loudly for Jayashree. Congratulations dear star. position in English poem, third position in solo song, third position position speech in Hindi, first position fancy dress, and third position in storytelling. Congratulations to you, Purvaja. Next we have Rudrani Rajesh Karkate, third position self-introduction, third position drawing competition, third position poster making, second position in storytelling, and first position in fancy dress. Congratulations to you. Once again from class 4th A we have Chinmay, first position in storytelling, first position in speech in Hindi, and second position in self-introduction in English. Congratulations to you, Chinmay. Moving on to class 4B now, we have Pawan Bindor, first position collage making, first position Rakhi making, first position diya decoration, second position in poster making, and second position in best out of waste. मुझे तालियों की आवाज कम होती हुई नजर आ रही है. Thank you so much. Next we have Sanchita, first position in solo song, first position in English poem, second position in self-introduction, second position in Hindi speech, and first position in Hindi poem recitation. Congratulations to you, Sanchita. Once again from 4B we have Pranvi, first position in drawing competition, first position in best out of waste, second position in collage making, second position in fancy dress, second position in English poem recitation. Moving on to the senior most class of the primary department, class 5th A, Akshara, first position in Hindi calligraphy, first position in drawing competition, second position in solo song, third position in Hindi speech, and third position in English calligraphy. Congratulations to you, Akshara. Asawari from 5th A, we have first position for her in English poem recitation, third position in fancy dress, first position in poster making. Congratulations to you, Asawari. Moving on to the stars of 5th B now. We have Shashwati Borkar, first position in English calligraphy, second position in Hindi calligraphy, third position in storytelling, and second position in Hindi speech. Congratulations to you, Shashwati, and your parents also. We are proud of you. From class 5, once again, we have Kasturi Maske, English poem recitation, second position, storytelling Hindi, second position, and fancy dress, first position. Congratulations to you, Kasturi. Moving on to 5th B, once again, we have Arav Avinash Vardare, first position in self-introduction, first position in Hindi speech, and third position in English poem recitation. Congratulations to you, Arav, your parents, the school, the department. We are proud of you. Thank you so much, dear children, and the parents for your support. Over to you, Megha ma'am.
Thank you, Rupali. Now we move on to the secondary section. These are the prizes of CCA activities. May I now call Samiksha Sahu from 6th A, Raman House, first in essay writing, English calligraphy, Rakhi making, Hindi calligraphy, all first position. Congratulations, Samiksha. The next is Anjali Rakesh Kamble from 7th A. Slogan writing, speech, solo dance first, essay writing, and first in best out of waste. Next, Aditi Campbell from class 8th A, Ashoka House. First in painting competition, English calligraphy, Hindi quiz, extempore, best library reader too. Next I move on to Muskan Jain from class 9th A, Tagore House. First in Hindi calligraphy, essay writing, solo song competition, storytelling and English calligraphy too. Congratulations Muskan. Next we move on to Arva Bora, class 10th A from Ashoka House, Hindi quiz first, best out of waste first and essay writing too. Congratulations Arva. Next participant is Vibha Darda from class 10th A, Tagore House, first in essay writing. Vibha Darda from class 10th A, first in essay writing competition. Tanvi Suryavanshi from class 11th, Tagore House, first in Rangoli making, Rakhi, Mehendi making and poetry recitation too. Next is Rithima Sarodi from class 9th B, Tagore House. Rithima Sarodi from class 9th B, Hindi calligraphy, Rakhi making and English calligraphy too. The next is Rashi Faujdar from class 7th A, Hindi calligraphy, Rakhi making, English calligraphy, essay writing and Rangoli making. Please come on the stage Rashi Faujdar. Congratulations to you Rashi. Next is Madhura Padole from class 7th A. Madhura from class 7th A, first and best out of waste, essay writing and diya decoration. The next participant is Kavya Dhage, 7th A, best out of waste, essay writing first, slogan writing and Rakhi making. Audience, तालियों की आवाज कम हो गई है. Next is Lokesha Nagrale from class 7th B, Hindi quiz first, extempore, English calligraphy, essay writing, on the spot drawing and painting, storytelling. Congratulations Lokesha. Saili Labdi from class 9th B, first in Hindi calligraphy, essay writing, slogan writing competition too. Next is Reshma Kumari from class 9th B. Saili is one of our best guide also, sir. This is Reshma Kumari, first in storytelling, speech, English poem recitation and diya decoration too. We move on to Aryaman Surana from class 11th, Hindi quiz first and storytelling too. Congratulations Aryaman. Navika Garode from class 6th A. On the spot drawing and painting, Hindi calligraphy and Rakhi making. Last but not the least, the champion Vaishnavi from class 7th B. Vaishnavi participated in many competitions, sir. Sanskrit Shloka Vachan, Hindi calligraphy, Rakhi making, English calligraphy, essay writing, Rangoli making, Hindi quiz, poem recitation and slogan writing. She is the champion. ऑडियंस से फिर एक बार रिक्वेस्ट, जोरदार तालियों से बच्चों का उत्साहवर्धन करें। These are the prizes of the houses, sir, and we have 4 houses in our school. That is Star, Shivaji, Tagore, Ashok and Raman. तो प्यारे बच्चों, हमारे पास हाउसेस के लिए ट्रॉफीज भी है। Any idea about which house is the third winner? I invite Raman House Master along with the associates on the stage to receive the trophy for third position. Raman House. I request the house master and the associate and 3 children representative to come on the dais to receive the trophy. Third. Second house, Tagore House should be ready. Tagore House, house master, associates and the 3 representatives to come on the stage. I request Shailendra Bajgare sir and Kushwa sir to join the group. The CC in charges also. Thank you, team. The second house, Tagore House, is there on the stage. I request sir to please give the shield to second house also. This is Tagore House taking second. Any guesses for the first position? आवाज भी आई भाई, इस साइड से। The first rank goes to Ashoka House. I request the house master, associate house masters and the members, the students to come on the stage to take the trophy. Congratulations, Ashoka House. I would also like to join in. Be in the CC in charge.
एक बार जोरदार ताली आप सभी की। हमारा पूरा विद्यालय की तरफ से पहला हाउस है, फर्स्ट हाउस अशोका हाउस।
Ashoka House. Let us move on towards academic achievements, sir. Towards academic achievements in the session 23-24, KV Pulgaon has given 100% result in class 10 and 12. Master Tushar Pardake stood first in class 12 with 87%. I request Tushar if he is present over here or the parents. Okay, similarly, Kumari Vidhi Javandia Okay, he is there. I request Honorable Chief Guest to give him the certificate and the trophy. He scored 87% in class 12th last year. Similarly, Kumari Vidhi Javandia stood first in class 10 with 95.2%. I request her mother to come on the stage to receive the prize. Mother of Vidhi Javandia from class 10. She scored 95.2%, sir. It's a matter of pride for the school that 4 teachers who contributed remarkably in producing 100% result with quality PI received appreciation certificates from the Honorable Deputy Commissioner, Regional Office, Mumbai. I call upon Shri Rajendra Ghatole sir, PGT English, for 100% result in class 12 with PI 77.68%. May I now request Nitin Dongre sir, PGT Biology, 100% result in Nitin Dongre sir, 100% result in class 10 Science, class 12th Biology, 100% result with 75 PI. Congratulations, sir. Shri Rajendra Ghatole sir, PGT English, 100% result in class 12 with 77.68 PI. May I call Shri Madan Lal Bhairava, TGT Hindi, whose result was 100% in class 10th, and it's a matter of great fact that Kumari Prathana Shrivas scored 100 on 100 in Hindi last year in class 10th, sir. The next is Srimati Sunita Vaishnav, TGT Social Science, in absentia. May I call Sachin Dharpure sir on the stage to receive the certificate on her behalf. 100% result in Social Science in class 10 with PI 63.36. Komal Jangle and Master Jay Kumar Mishra scored 100 on 100 in SST class 10, sir. Thank you very much, sir. May I request the chief guest to take the seat. Thank you very much. Dear audience, without taking much of your time, let us jump into the cultural event of tonight. I hand over the mic to our young anchors of the day. I call upon the stage Vibha, Arva and Aryaman from class 10 and 11 to take the charge. Over to you, children.
Thank you so much, Megha ma'am, for this wonderful opportunity. गुड इवनिंग कसाकाय केमचो खम्मा गणी हम हैं आपके दोस्त और आज की शाम के होस्ट. Good evening, honorary dignitaries, respected guests, parents, and all my dear friends. It is indeed a privilege to have all of you here on this momentous occasion of our grand annual gathering of Kendriya Vidyalaya Pulgaon camp.
Today, as we celebrate the remarkable achievements of our students, let us also acknowledge their hard work and dedication that has gone into making this day a reality. I am sure the performances we will witness today will reflect the talent, creativity and passion that define our school.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to brace ourselves for a burst of energy and cuteness. The youngest performers of our Vidyalaya are ready to light up the stage with their vibrant action dance performance. To the cheerful tune, It's a Beautiful Day. And indeed, today is truly beautiful day, made even more special by the enthusiasm and innocence. तो आइए कदम थिरकने दीजिए, तालियां बजने दीजिए और इनके प्रदर्शन का दिल से आनंद लीजिए. Dear audience, let's cheer for this little talents as they shine on stage. Let's give them a warm and hearty welcome. Please give a big round of applause for them.
And look up at the sky, watch the clouds above, and search for a rainbow. I see a kite fly by, and I say hi. Hello, kite! Come on and spread your wings, so we can take flight. Then I fly like a kite. I feel strong, as a tiger and it's big as a giraffe, so high, and I jump like a kangaroo, swim, I come up to you, I take your hand if that's okay, and I say, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day. Then I fly like a kite. I feel strong as a tiger and it's big as a giraffe, so high, and I jump like a kangaroo, swim, I come up to you, I take your hand if that's okay, and I say, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day.
Put your hands together for this tiny staff.
Fly like a kite. I feel strong as a tiger and it's big as a giraffe, so high, and I jump like a kangaroo, swim, I come up to you, I take your hand if that's okay, and I say, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day. Then I fly like a kite. I feel strong as a tiger and it's big as a giraffe, so high, and I jump like a kangaroo, swim, I come up to you, I take your hand if that's okay, and I say, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day, such a beautiful day.
That was truly a beautiful performance. performance just as the name of song suggests. One more suspense and one more thrill. Can anyone guess what is coming on? Make guesses.
हमारे देश की धरोहर, हमारे देश की संस्कृति को पुनः एक बार उजागर करने बच्चे आ रहे हैं ट्राइबल डांस के साथ।
Now I would like to invite students of class 8 with their Gondi dance. Gond is a tribal community which is one of the largest and oldest community of India. The song Ron Toy Nada Da Ron Toy Naro is performed after harvesting of crop. Please welcome class 8. Such a beautiful performance it was. A huge round of applause for them. Respected audience, now get ready for something that's going to make you think. An English skit titled Silent Killers, brought to you by the students of classes 7, 8 and 9. This performance will take you on a reflective journey. आर्यमन, वहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
अरे यार, तुमने मुझे डिस्टर्ब कर दिया। मैं तो स्नैप निकाल रहा था।
और विभा तुम कहो?
ओह अरवा, क्या तुमने मेरी स्टोरी नहीं देखी? मैंने जयपुर की लोकेशन के साथ अपनी सेल्फी डाली है।
Sounds familiar, right? What do you think? Is the virtual world really enhancing our lives or distracting us from what truly matters? Is the world we see on a screen really the one we should be living in? To explore these thoughts, let's welcome our performers with a huge round of applause.
Good evening to one and all present here today. The students of our Vidyalaya are going to present an English skit, Silent Killer. Scene 1. All the Gap apps are gathered in the chat room. Ha ha ha! I am Facebook. I am an American social networking site and the largest. Recently, I have lost the trust of my users by allowing these to access over 87 billion personal data. A person can get addicted to me in hackers are now using me to send scams which can retrieve all their personal data. But now I shall carry on to my mission.
Ha 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 ha! I am WhatsApp and I am the monster of the social media because you all waste your time for seeing messages, videos, status, etc. on me. I am the supreme master of the virtual world. I have arrived much later than Facebook, but I have been able to capture the imagination of the millions of people in the world. By giving them a solution, I have become an addiction for my followers. Ha ha ha!
I am the supreme of the world. I was to the YouTube platform which is completely on sharing photos and videos. You can easily post your photos, but there is a possibility of photos theft. I have become the addiction of all my users who cannot live without me. Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha ha! I am Twitter. I am one of the most edited websites and has been described as the SMS of internet. I can be distraction and obsession to my users. You can easily get distracted and can find yourself spending hours and hours on one conversation after another.
Ha 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 ha! I am YouTube. I have more than 2.49 billion monthly users. I have grown to become one of the most video distribution sites in the world. I have been highly criticized and I am the big addiction to my followers. I have more than 2.49 monthly billion users who collectively watch 1 billion videos each day.
Ha ha ha! I'm Snapchat. I'm a platform where you can post photos and videos. Millions use Snapchat daily, but that comes with a flood of misinformation online. Unfortunately, anyone can post anything and much of it isn't reliable, which is especially concerning with so many child users.
Ha 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 ha! I am Google. Everyone knows me. I am there to help you to know all the information from dictionary to research. You can Google me anytime. I have many assistants: Google Assistant, Google Map, Google Pay, Google Photo, etc. But if you accidentally close me, I will close all of your tabs.
Ha ha ha! I am Pinterest, a social media platform that is used for sharing photos, videos and ideas. I am a creative project with about 522 million active users. I am so addictive that my users can't leave me. Ha ha ha!
Ha ha ha! I am hacker. I can hack all your social media platform and leak all your videos and photos. Snatch your all money and blackmail you.
Whatever you guys, we signed in on time. I
I appreciate it. My friends, today I have invited you all to a visuality that you can never ever forget. Mark my words, my friends, one day the world will dance to my tunes. But now, let's sign out. Scene 2. Let's peek into Vaishnavi's family. There in the living room, her father is enjoying his tea and
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट खौस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो।
अरे क्या हुआ इतनी टेंशन में क्यों है?
एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं यार।
हाँ तो
इस बार भी टॉप करना है। 98% तो लाने ही है। फिर ये शहर की टॉप की कॉलेज में एडमिशन भी हो जाएगा और आगे की पूरी प्लानिंग सेट है।
अरे डोंट वरी, एग्जाम्स भी अच्छे जाएंगे और हम टॉप भी कर लेंगे। थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाओ। एग्जाम्स के डिप्रेशन में कोई लाइफ जीना भूल जाता है क्या? मेहनत दिल लगा के की है ना तो उसका नतीजा भी अच्छा ही होगा। बस दिल पे हाथ रखो और बोलो ऑल इज वेल, ऑल इज वेल।
आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑटो को करके गोल ऑटो को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑटो को करके गोल ऑटो को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल मुर्गी जा जाने अंडे का क्या होगा लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा होठ घुमाओ सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया अरे भैया अरे चाचू अरे भैया।
आज रिजल्ट का दिन था। सब बच्चे अच्छे नंबर से पास हो गए थे। सभी बच्चे खुश भी थे पर रिया बहुत ज्यादा ही अपसेट थी क्योंकि उसे अपने टारगेट जितने मार्क्स नहीं मिल पाए। 98 की जगह 96 मिले। शायद वो अपने टॉप के कॉलेज में नहीं जा पाई। शायद उसने जितने गोल सोचे थे वो अचीव नहीं कर पाई। यही सब सोच अब उसके दिमाग में डिप्रेशन का रूप ले रहा है।
बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी जगी धड़कन नहीं जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा अब से सामने इसे छू लो जरा मर जाऊं या जी लो सदा खुशियाँ झूम लूं या रो लूं सदा मर जाऊं या जी लो सदा।
सॉरी मम्मी पापा, सॉरी बंटी एंड ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स। सॉरी बट मैं अपना बेस्ट नहीं दे पाई। आई नो सबको मुझसे बहुत उम्मीद थी कि मैं 98% लेकर आऊंगी जैसे सबको चाहिए था ना, वो टॉपर ऑफ द टाउन एंड टॉप की कॉलेज। वो सब मैं अचीव नहीं कर पाई। मुझे मुझ में अब सबको फेस करने की हिम्मत नहीं है।
इस दुनिया में ना तो कुछ मुश्किल होता है ना ही आसान होता है। सारा खेल मानने का है। जो मानता है कि उसके लिए मुश्किल है तो उसके लिए मुश्किल है, और जो मान लेता है कि मेरे लिए आसान है तो उसके लिए सब आसान है।
तेरी वो रफ्तार हो, रुके से भी तू ना रुके, हासिल कर ऐसा शिखर, पर्वत की भी नजरें उठे,
What a stunning performance by our young talent. It was totally unexpected to witness such a fabulous performance from these kids.
Next in the line, we have a very interesting performance. अब एक बार फिर बारी है हमारे प्राथमिक वर्ग से नन्हे कलाकारों की, जो अपनी सुरीली आवाज और चंचल अदाओं से हम सभी को सरगम की गाड़ी में बैठाकर ले चलेंगे सुरों के शहर में। आज दिल छू लेने वाले इस गीत से हम न केवल आपका दिल जीतेंगे बल्कि आपके चेहरे की मुस्कान का कारण भी बनेंगे। तो फिर देर किस बात की, समय हो गया है मस्ती की पाठशाला में म्यूजिक पीरियड का। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें इन नन्हे गायकों का।
सागा 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 मगरे सनीरे नीरे नीरे गर सनी सागा 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 मगरे सनीरे नीरे नीरे गर सनी सागा सागा सारे के गुप्पा मगरे सगरे सनी सासा मगरे मगरे सगरे सनी सासा मगरे सगरे सनी सासा। हंसते गाते हम हंसते गाते, हंसते गाते हम हंसते गाते, चंचल बच्चे हम हंसते गाते, चंचल बच्चे हम हंसते गाते। पापा के प्यारे अंधियारों में उजियारे, मम्मी पापा के प्यारे अंधियारों में उजियारे, जैसे उतर के आए नील गगन के तारे, जैसे उतर के आए नील गगन के तारे। हंसते गाते हम हंसते गाते, हंसते गाते हम हंसते गाते, चंचल बच्चे हम हंसते गाते, चंचल बच्चे हम हंसते गाते। परियों की सारी बातें अम्बाल गीत के लड़के, परियों की सारी बातें अम्बाल गीत के लड़के, झूमते खेलते बात हमारी छोटी लगती है सबको प्यारी, बात हमारी छोटी लगती है सबको प्यारी। मन के इंद्रधनुष से हम रंगे दुनिया सारी, मन के इंद्रधनुष से हम रंगे दुनिया सारी। पल में रोते हम पल में हंसते, पल में रोते हम पल में हंसते, चंचल बच्चे हम हंसते गाते, चंचल
बहुत ही शानदार प्रस्तुति। इस गीत को सुनते हुए मेरे पैरों की थिरकन रुकी ही नहीं। एक बार जोरदार तालियां।
लगता है हमारी ऑडियंस को अभी मजा नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि तालियों की आवाज कम होते जा रही है। अब जोरदार तालियों से हम अपने अगले कलाकारों को मंच में आमंत्रित करते हैं। अरे धरती सुनहरी देहातियों को, अरे हमारी देश की धरती सुनहरी देहातियों को, केसरी हो आसमान आयो रे थोड़ा वाला देश, वीरो बंजारा रे। अरे मारो मारे देश रो भाइयों, मारो मारो देश रो, मैं कई करूं बखान, आओ जी पधारो मारा देश जी। As from the above lines, you must have guessed the state of folk dance we are gonna witness next. Rajasthan, the land of kings and queens, most rich cultural heritage that is reflected in its diverse folk dances, which will showcase the essence of Rajasthani culture through their captivating performance, graceful movements of Ghumar to the energetic beats of Kalbelia. Prepare to be mesmerized by the vibrant colors, infectious rhythm, and the sheer joy of this dance. Now let's give it up for Rajasthani dance. What a fabulous performance. A huge round of applause for class 8A and B. Next up in line, we have a MIMAC on the theme of side effects of Mumbai. MIMAC is a unique art form and it requires immense skill and imagination. The performance don't speak, but their every moment tells a story that we can all feel and enjoy. So get ready for silent magic to unfold. अभी मैं कह सकता हूँ इस परफॉर्मेंस ने हमारे प्रोग्राम में 4 चांद लगा दिए. What an astonishing performance! It's truly inspiring to see how they can convey so much emotion and meaning with such a simplicity and creativity.
Now it's time for Maharashtrian dance. आपल्या महाराष्ट्रात आपण वेगवेगळ्या संस्कृतीची जोपासना करतो. अनेक सण आपण एकत्र येऊन साजरे करतो. म्हणून आजच्या साजरीकरणातून आपल्याला अनेक प्रकार दिसणार आहेत, जसे कोळी नृत्य, लावणी, विठ्ठल रुक्मिणी दर्शन व महाराष्ट्र दर्शन. चला तर आजच्या साजरीकरणातून आपण एकत्रित संपूर्ण महाराष्ट्र दर्शन करूया.
Sorry, दोस्तों, पूरे हिंदुस्तान मेरा महाराष्ट्र एक ऐसा राज्य है जिसके छोटे से छोटे गांव में भी आपको ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे जिनकी मातृभाषा मराठी नहीं है, लेकिन मातृभूमि महाराष्ट्र है। वो इतने सालों से महाराष्ट्र में रहते आए हैं कि उनके रगों में भी अब सिर्फ मराठी दौड़ती है। मेरा ये गीत मेरे उन प्यारे भाइयों के लिए है जो जुबान से शायद ना हो लेकिन दिल से मराठा है। माना चल के कभी था मद्रासी, माना चल के था पंजाबी, माना चल के कभी था गुजराती, माना चल के था बंगाली। चाहे कोई भी हो तेरी भाषा, चाहे कोई भी हो बोली, नस नस में दौड़े हैं जो तेरे, पहचान हवा है कहाँ की है, पानी कहाँ का है, बेटी कहाँ की, तो बोल दिल के तलों से जय 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 महाराष्ट्र माझा, कर्जा महाराष्ट्र माझा, जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, कर्जा महाराष्ट्र माझा, जय जय महाराष्ट्र मेरा, कर्जा महाराष्ट्र मेरा, जय जय महाराष्ट्र मेरा, कर्जा महाराष्ट्र मेरा।
कक्षा छठवीं और सातवीं के बच्चों ने बहुत ही अद्भुत प्रस्तुति दी है। एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। ऐसा लगा कि एक ही नृत्य में हमने पूरे महाराष्ट्र का दर्शन कर लिया, सच में। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू हैंड ओवर द माइक टू रूपाली मैम। इससे पहले कि मैं कुछ बात कहूँ, मुझे एक सवाल पूरी ऑडियंस से पूछना है। आप आसमान में देखकर बता सकते हैं कुछ मिसिंग है वहाँ से। लुक एट द स्काई एंड टेल मी व्हाट इज मिसिंग फ्रॉम द स्काई। You are absolutely right. The stars are missing because stars are here in the Kendriya Vidyalaya Pulgaon. Please clap for all the participants, their parents, teachers, in charges, and definitely you lovely audience. Thank you so much. माननीय अतिथिगण और प्रिय श्रोतागण, मुझे लगता है आज की शाम में इस प्रांगण में बिताए कुछ पल आपके जहन में सुनहरी यादों की गिनती बढ़ा चुके होंगे। बट बिफोर वी प्रोसीड फर्दर, लेट्स टेक द मोमेंट टू अप्रिशिएट एंड थैंक द वंडरफुल स्टूडेंट एंकर्स हु आर सो स्किलफुली हैंडलिंग द स्टेज एंड हैव केप्ट यू ऑल एंगेज्ड। सचमुच ऐसे प्रतिभाशाली और रचनात्मक युवाओं के साथ हमारा भविष्य न केवल सुरक्षित है बल्कि नई ऊंचाइयां छूने को भी तैयार है। यह शाम ऊर्जा और शानदार प्रस्तुतियों से सराबोर है। हर मुस्कान में छुपा जैसे सपनों का शोर है। हर कदम पर झलकती है मेहनत की चमक, हर कदम पर झलकती है मेहनत की चमक, जैसे चांदनी रात में बिखरी चांद की दमक। काश ये रात ठहर जाए, ये लम्हे सजे रहे। काश ये रात ठहर जाए, ये लम्हे सजे रहे। इस जश्न के किस्से हमेशा दिलों में बसे रहे। इस जश्न के किस्से हमेशा दिलों में बसे रहे। Now, as we move forward, it's time to hear from the distinguished individuals who have honored us with their presence today. I am privileged to invite our esteemed chief guest, Brigadier Kaushlesh Pangal, to share his valuable words of wisdom and blessings with all of us. महोदय, आपकी उपस्थिति और हमसे सीधा संवाद हमारे लिए अनुग्रह और गर्व का पल है. Respected sir, the stage and the Kendriya Vidyalaya Gurgaon is now ready to hear you. Please welcome.
Good evening everybody. प्यारे बच्चों, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? ओके. गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी. प्यारे केवी पुलगांव के बच्चों, मिस्टर प्रिंसिपल सर और सभी टीचर और स्टाफ और यहाँ पे उपस्थित सारे प्यारे बच्चों के पेरेंट्स और हमारे स्टाफ मेंबर्स, मुझे बेहद खुशी होती है आज ये जान के कि केवी पुलगांव में ये जो आज एनुअल डे फंक्शन हुआ है, ये काफी समय से नहीं हुआ था. तो मैं आई वुड लाइक टू टुडे प्लेस ऑन रिकॉर्ड a vote of thanks to the entire staff, the team of teachers and all the students who have participated in the function today. A big round of applause and very well done. KV Pulgaon, जैसा कि आपको पता है, it's been here in this place more than 55 years and has made all of us at the Pulgaon military station very proud of all the alumni which have been there in the past and which will be there in the future. I have met a few of old students who are doing very well outside in Nagpur and at the Pulgaon town itself. In fact, जो केवी पुलगांव की बिल्डिंग अभी बन रही है वो भी एक पुराने अलुमनाई है इसी स्कूल के. उनके फादर और उनकी फैमिली इस कंस्ट्रक्शन में लगी हुई है. सो आई लाइक टू टेल यू दैट केवी पुलगांव हैज गिवन दिस स्टेट एंड दिस प्लेस a lot of good citizens of the nation. They're doing pretty well. And as we speak today and we saw today, it is not only in the fields of sports, co-curricular activities, studies, the kids of our Kendriya Vidyalaya are all over. आज जो ये प्रोग्राम हमने देखा वो बहुत ही उम्दा स्टैंडर्ड्स का था और हमें बेहद खुशी हुई है कि छोटे समय में और थोड़े बहुत कंस्ट्रेंट्स जो भी केवी स्टाफ के पास थे उन्होंने इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम दिया. आई वुड लाइक टू प्लेस ऑन रिकॉर्ड thank you to the principal and all the teachers who taken the pains and especially the young kids who performed very well today. I wish you all the best for the times ahead. All the academics for the 10th, 11th, 12th, especially the boys and girls appearing for the boards, we wish you good luck. Keep doing well, keep the nation proud, keep your parents proud, and may the name of KV Pulgaon keep shining as bright as it is, and it will be. Thank you and well done. A big round of applause for you all. Very well done. Jai Hind. And as Principal Sir is prompting me, there was a request that some holiday should be given, as is the notion in every annual day function. So all the children want some holidays, but there is a Sunday coming tomorrow. Okay, Monday has been declared a holiday on behalf of all the teachers and all the students who performed very well. So have an extended weekend. God bless you all. Godspeed. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. योर होप्स एंड विशेस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। मैं चाहूंगी कि सभी हमारी ऑडियंस में जितने भी लोग हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, बच्चे हैं, टीचर्स हैं, सभी एक बार सर को जोर से थैंक यू बोलेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच सर। I once again hand over the mic to our budding speakers.
केम छो सगला मजामा छो की नहीं? केम छो सगला? आवाज नहीं आती। आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं अचानक से गुजराती क्यों बोल रही हूँ। ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि अब आ रहे हैं कक्षा 9वीं के छात्र अपना गुजराती लोक नृत्य लेकर, जिस गीत के बोल है नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे और रमती आवे। एक बार जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें कक्षा 9वीं का।
संग ढोल बाजे हाय ढाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ी संग ढोल बाजे हाय ढाय धाय धम धाय। दिन तड़ाक आचार की सगाट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़ी संग ढोल बाजे हाय ढाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ी संग ढोल बाजे हाय ढाय ढाय धम धाय। रे खट खट बाज दस तक बोला अब तक आया रे तब से हो तब से हाँ देखी रहे के अब तू खोल बाहर आजा। मन घूमे रे मचले रे मोरा मन गूंजे रे बालम के बोल गारे संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 धम धाय। दिन आचार की सगाट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय हाय धम धम धाय नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे हाय 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 धम धाय। चल आजा रे थर 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 हाँ कांपे थर थर हाँ डर डर जी से डर अब ना। ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಸೋಣೆ
कहता था। एक बार जोरदार तालियां। Now I hand over the mic to Rupali ma'am.
मुझे फिर से तालियों की आवाज कम लगी और परफॉर्मेंस में एनर्जी ज्यादा। थैंक यू सो मच। As they say, every end is a new beginning. While today's program is drawing to a close, it marks the start of new hopes, dreams and aspirations. Let us carry forward the enthusiasm and positivity of this evening into our lives and strive to make each day as beautiful as today. And to formally conclude this evening and express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event possible, I would like to invite Atul Thakre sir to deliver the vote of thanks. Atul sir, please.
Very good evening to one and all present here. It's my proud privilege to stand before you to propose vote of thanks on behalf of principal, staff and all the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Pulgaon camp. At the outset, I want to thank the chief guest of the occasion, Brigadier Kaushalesh Pangal, Commandant CID and Chairman VMC Kendriya Vidyalaya Pulgaon camp for taking time of his busy schedule and accepting our invitation to be the chief guest. I sincerely thank you, sir, for this kind gesture. I am indeed grateful to Mrs. Parul Pangal for accepting our invitation in her absentia. I thank Colonel Gopi Anand, Madam Commandant and nominee Chairman, Vidyalaya Management Committee, Kendriya Vidyalaya Pulgaon camp for always being there in his absentia. I thank Colonel Karthik Verma for witnessing the program. I also take this opportunity to thank all the distinguished guests from CID, MES and VMC members for encouraging our students by their presence. I thank all the dignitaries present here. I express my sincere thanks to all the parents for their valuable cooperation throughout the year and for believing in us. I am indeed grateful to the anchoring spirit, the principal of the Vidyalaya, Sri Sunil Pardesi, for his able guidance and efficient leadership. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my colleagues and students for their formidable effort in making the program a grand success. Thank you all. Thank you. I request everyone to stand for national anthem. I request all, let the chief guest go first, then you proceed. Thank you. All the teachers are requested to come on stage.